Hey fam! Welcome back to Teresa's Kitchen, and I'm really excited to do our first baking recipe together. Yay! I love to bake. I used to not love to bake, but I love to bake now. And today, we're not only gonna have a sweet recipe to make, but we have a sweet guest coming. Where's our sweet guest? Bella Von Regan, the youngest Von Regan girl. How old are you? Girl. 8, right. Because we have one more Von Regan, a little boy who's 6. He's the very youngest. But
he just had his birthday.
Belle, he did. Belle is the youngest girl. So today we are gonna bake what, Belle?
Sugar cookies.
We call them SUGARLICIOUS. Why do we call them SUGARLICIOUS sugar cookies?
Because they're really good, and we roll them in sugar when we have the dough.
Nice. So they're extra sugary because at the end we roll them in sugar. So we are gonna get started with going over some of the ingredients. So Belle, are you gonna tell us what ingredients you have over there?
Vegetable oil, cream cheese, melted butter, sugar, eggs, milk, and vanilla.
And then over here we have flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So the first step of mixing is mixing our dry ingredients. So my little helper is gonna pour in the baking powder, baking soda, and salt into the flour bowl. And then we're gonna mix it. Ready to pour?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Baking powder.
Right, we'll just dump it right in.
Wanna.
Yeah.
Now baking soda.
Yeah. Good job.
Now salt.
Good job. And then now we're gonna mix.
Can I mix
these
it?
dry ingredients? Of course. There you go.
Can you hold on to it?
I'll hold on to it, yeah.
Oh.
Just don't attack me with that spoon. You're doing a great job. Got it all mixed together, good. Bella's gonna tell us what our next steps are, right, Belle?
Mm-hmm. So first we're gonna dump the cream cheese into the sugar.
Good job. There you go.
Then we're gonna dump the melted butter into the cream cheese and the sugar.
Yay! That looks yummy.
It smells good.
Who loves butter? Do you love butter? Yeah. You know, Aunt Heather ate a whole stick of butter when she was a little girl.
Really?
Yeah.
That means I can?
No.
Whisk it.
Now, Mama's gonna whisk the butter and the cream cheese and the sugar. I'll get it started and then Belle can finish it, right?
Yep. Because the first part's pretty hard.
You gotta get some muscle going into it, right?
You
You gonna put some music behind it for me?
No.
So you're gonna whisk these 3 ingredients, our sugar,
And I'm gonna be the taste tester.
and cream cheese. It smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
Sugar always smells good.
Butter
Doesn't it?
always
Or
does
butter
too.
Butter and sugar.
And
butter
cream
and sugar
cheese.
together. Right? So Bella is the best egg cracker. How many eggs did you crack once when we were cooking up in New York?
About 42.
42 exactly?
Not exact, about.
Okay. But she never gets a shell in. She's so good.
And if we do, we always take it out.
Yeah, we take it out. We do. All right, so we're done whisking our butter, sugar mixture here, our sugary butter cream cheese mixture that Bella thinks smells delightful. The next step is to dump the vegetable oil, the vanilla, the milk, and the eggs all into this sugary, buttery goodness. Ready for that, Belle?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should
Let's
each
start.
take some olive oil.
Okay, so we're each gonna dump some vegetable oil. Just dump it in, girl. You love the smell?
It smells really good. But I don't like the taste.
You don't?
Even though I never tasted it before.
You eat it in cookies.
Well, yeah, but if you just eat it alone, it'll taste
Oh yeah,
really
alone it
bad.
probably doesn't taste good. It's great in pancakes too. Okay,
I'm gonna crack
expert
both.
egg cracker. And you can just dump the eggshells in one
Okay.
of the bowls. Okay.
Whoa.
Good job. Excellent. Excellent egg cracking skills. Okay, stir it some for us. A little slower maybe, because it might start to spill out.
Okay.
Okay. Should we do it together?
Yeah.
So we're going to stir all this goodness.
Done.
And we've actually doubled the recipe. I didn't mention that because we have a big family and they love cookies.
We have 7 people in this house.
Yes, 7 people and soon to be how many?
Oh, 6. I mean, 8 because our grandpa's coming.
Yeah, Gramps is coming to stay with us. Now that we're finished mixing all of the wet ingredients in this bowl, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients with all the butter and sugary goodness. Ready to go, Belle?
Yes.
So I'm gonna hold the bowl up and you're gonna use the spoon to scoop it all in. Ready? Just pour it all in. Great. You're doing a great job. It's okay. Awesome. You got it all in. So we're gonna mix it all together. And this is gonna make our SUGARLICIOUS sugar cookie mix. You wanna try to mix it a little or you want me to start?
Yeah, you start.
Okay. So it's a lot of flour and sugar and butter, right? And like I said earlier, we made a double batch for our party of soon-to-be 8 family. You kind of want to pull it from the bottom up.
Okay.
And keep mixing it. It's kind of getting heavy.
Can you hold on to it?
You want me to hold on to the bowl while you do it?
Yes, please.
Surely.
Whoa. Maybe we can mix it a bit better. Like right there. It's a bit. So I'm gonna take this whole spoon and
So tell us what's next, Bella?
we have to do 2 more things. Do the taste test, and we also have to roll the balls at about a gumball size and put it on the tray.
And what do we roll the balls into? And why do we call them SUGARLICIOUS cookies?
Because we roll the balls into sugar.
Yes. So we're gonna roll them into sugar and then flatten them as well. So who wants to be the taste tester?
Me.
You? Okay. Bella gets the honor of taste testing. No double dipping though. Whoa, that's a lot. How's it taste? Delicious? Bella says these are her most favorite cookies. So this is our final stage before we put the cookies in the oven. You're gonna heat your oven to 350, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how big of size balls are we making?
A gumball size.
Like a bigger gumball size, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna roll them. So Bella's gonna start rolling her gumball. This is your dough to roll, yeah? I'm gonna start rolling my gumball dough. And then we're gonna pour
I think that should be about a bit bigger.
some sugar. So we're pouring some sugar onto our mat. And we're gonna roll our balls in the sugar.
This is about the size you need.
Perfect, Belle. And then roll it in the sugar when you're ready. And get it nice and sugary.
And sometimes when you eat the cookies, you could see some of the sugar.
And then you're gonna tray them about 2 inches apart. And we have this glass here because you're gonna flatten the cookie once it's on the tray.
About right there. Can I flatten it?
Oh, sorry. There you go. You can see.
Now we're gonna make some more.
Yes.
Make some more.
More for you. More for me.
And if you have a gumball about this big, that's way too big.
Did we make them about the same size?
About.
I didn't make them cute bigger.
No,
Yeah,
they're
that's good. You want to smush them with the glue?
Yes. It will be my honor. That's about
Perfect.
And that's about good.
Perfect. Bella and I are going to finish traying the cookies and we'll be right back. Now that we trayed our cookies, we're going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. For how long, Belle?
11 to 13 minutes.
I'm so excited to try them. You can see how beautiful they look. Our SUGARLICIOUS cookies are fresh out of the oven. And as you can see, I've lost my sweet helper. And that's what happens, I guess, when you start making cookies late at night. Alone by myself in the kitchen, finishing up. First batch of SUGARLICIOUS cookies are ready to go. And I can't wait to dive into one and taste it. Yummy. The kids are going to steal all these tomorrow. It's the perfect, creamy, sweet, with a little bit of salt. Yum. Okay fam, I hope your day has been as sweet as these cookies are. Don't forget, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. I really want to know what recipe you want to see next. So comment below with that. And I'd love you to check out this other recipe here. Thanks again for tuning into my YouTube channel. I appreciate all your support, fam. Bye for now.